I think we must analyze first where we are coming from. We are in the end of November. End of the year is not yet there, but first figures we have is that there is not an issue, but something we must keep in mind is that, okay, we're going to be above 20 billion euro, around 22, 23 billion euro, which is much better compared to last year, because last year, as a reminder, we were around 16.5 billion euro. So there's a real increase, like we were at pan-European level. But when we go in further detail regarding this analysis, we analyze that a bit more than 50% of this, about a bit more than 20 billion euro, is going to be based on transactions which are going to be above 200 million euro per unit. So it's a market of big deal. And when we look at the transaction between 50 and 100 million euro, it's a decrease by some 40%. 40%. So all the market is having on is saying, well, we are missing supply, we are missing investment opportunity on our desk, which is true. It's not only a sentiment, it is the reality. Why I'm saying this for trying to outlook the year 2015 is that we can anticipate that because there is shortness of supply, we will still have a yield compression. Yield compression will be slightly there for prime in the CBD, not that much because we are already less than 4%, but we're going to have another yield compression for, let's say, the core plus market, which might be located either in a rim or from time to time further distance, as far as that from a technical point of view and from a common transport, public transport point of view, you are at the foot of the metro. So having said this, at the end of the day, everybody is asking, where is the supply? And all the answer actually in terms of volume for year 2015, because you have the Asian money, we have the North American money is going to be still there, we have the Scandinavian money, we have the Middle East money, we have domestic money, or the CPI are collecting a lot, which makes that, whereas the product and one of the way we could enlarge and gain better liquidity will be to, how we could say this, make that people are less frightened to how I'm going to allocate my new money for having sold. Because we met investors who say, I'd like to sell, but I don't know, or I need to sell, but I don't know to reallocate my money, my equity. So this is a sort of tricky, who is like the hen, or like the snake, everybody is turning around. So this is the major question. I think the whole market should have a sort of better confidence of reinvesting so that it can, let's say, more stress on the purchase side. And this is, let's say, the challenge for the year 2015, because really 2014 we will have this big deal who would have hidden the lack of product for, let's say, the majority of the market between 50 and 150 million euro.